time frame. Very important. People don't default today. People default after, say, using an EMI for a certain point of time. So that means my past behavior is actually impacting my future behavior in future, whether I'm going to default or not. So you are not supposed to consider someone who default now, like training data or test data. Whenever we are considering, say, suppose you will be dividing your data set, right? When you will be dividing your data set in train and test, at that time, your training data, the dates, it should have something like this. Say, suppose 0101 to 3006, 6 months over here, January to June. You will be utilizing only the independent features from these time frame, and based on these independent features, you will see whether for the next 90 days, whether a customer, this is for customer 1, okay, whether a customer has defaulted or not. So defaulting shouldn't, that particular outcome variable or your target variable, which is default or not, right? That shouldn't be part of this particular thing. That should always follow the next 90 days, because that's what you want to see. Based on your current 6 months points, like your current 6 months behavior, if you have defaulted in the next 90 days or not, next 3 months or not. And then once that is done, this time frame shouldn't be used when you're using it on test. Okay. Now, train and test, January to, say, July, August, September. Done. Now, when you are testing it, it shouldn't be part of these time frame at all. Test data should be anytime before January, after September, or maybe from October to March. This 6 months you will be considering.